sayang hindi ako nakahawak ng mic. But if anything, just know.
Malaki ang panghihinayang ni Miss Universe Philippines Michelle D na hindi siya umabot ng top 5 sa katatapos lamang na Miss Universe 2023. Ayon kay Michelle, ginawa niya ang lahat para maibigay ang patok na laban pero destiny talaga ni Miss Nicaragua Shanice Palacios ang korona sa Miss Universe 2023. Ito ang pahayag niya kay Diane Castillejo ng ABS-CBN News na lumabas sa YouTube channel ng Kapamilya Network kagabi.
Of course, ultimately, it was Nicaragua's destiny. She's an amazing woman. So, I mean, on to bigger things, of course.
How do you feel on the stage?
It felt amazing. It felt like home. You know, I love putting on a show, but most especially, I love just making all of my countrymen so proud. And kita nyo naman talagang binigay ko talaga lahat. Everything.
Ito naman ang sinabi ni Michelle na isa siya sa pinalakpakan sa live show taliwas sa nangyari sa kanya noong preliminary.
Nagulat ako, syempre, kasi hindi ganun kalakas during the prelims. But of course, when I announced my name, I saw all of the Philippine flags in the audience. It is so heartwarming to see all of the Filipinos come together to support the country that we love.
Gayunpaman, mababanaag pa rin kay Michelle na nanghihinayang siyang hindi nakaabot sa question and answer portion matapos hindi mapasama sa top 5. Tinagurian kasi siya ng mga fans na nangmumukbang ng mic.
Sayang hindi ako nakahawak ng mic, but if anything, just know that I was training the whole year to make sure that if ever I had that moment, walang butas. But again, it's all about destiny, of course.
Umabot naman sa top 3 ang BFF ni Michelle na si Miss Thailand Antonia Porcil, pero bigo rin siyang makuha ang corona dahil itinangha lamang siyang first runner-up.